Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is how to solve this equation. So before we need to solve this equation, we need to find the domain in here. So the domain for this equation should be about x is greater than or equal to number 0, y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, z minus 2 is greater than or equal to number 0. So we got about s greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equals to number 1, and z is greater than or equal to number 2. Next, we multiply both sides with number 2. Next, we will use about AMGM inequality. Because these numbers, they are positive, so we can put like this. We have to multiply with the square root s. In here we can put number 1, so it should be like this. That's about a plus b is greater than or equal to a. 2 multiplied with square root ab, so it should be 1 plus s. Similar for this one. Later that, we sum 3 equations together. And we got about 1 plus 1 plus 1 is about 3. X, Y, Z minus 1 minus 2 is about minus 3. So in here you will get about 3 minus 3, so you got about x plus y plus z. So as you can see that this is similar for this equation. Now, because we just find only equal side, the equal side, the equality of equation, when s equals to number 1, y minus 1 equals to number 1, z minus 2 equals to number 1. So we move negative 1 on the right, negative 2 on the right, so you got about 3, and here is about the answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.